What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out something a bit different than what I normally feature on the channel. This is going to be the Marvel Collector Corp Marvel Black Widow box. I think it's a mystery box right here. Now, this is a mystery box that you can subscribe to on Amazon, and every 2 months, I believe, they have a new theme and they'll send you out these wonderful looking mystery boxes. Now, the reason why I have this, I had some time to go through my room and I found some Funko Pops that I had many years ago, but at the time I wasn't interested in them and they got put to the corner. Now that I had some time home, I looked at it. They seemed pretty cool, and I did some research on what exactly is Funko Pops, and there was a lot, guys. There was a lot. So it got me intrigued, and they do have a lot of Marvel Funko Pops collectibles, and I'm a huge fan of Marvel, so why not? And it doesn't cost a lot. I believe it's about 30 bucks a month, or 30 bucks I think every 2 months, and then they send you out this Collector Corps. Alright, so without further ado, let's check it out. Alright, so like I said, this is the Black Widow box. I believe this is for the month of June. Now, so every 2 months you guys will see a video of what's the new featured pop theme. So yep, be on the lookout for those videos. So let's check it out. But before I open it, let's take a look at the box. A pretty nice box. It's all black. Got all these nice looking logos on there. The Black Widow Funko right there. So it's coming directly from Funko, which is pretty cool. Or at least I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. There we go. You guys can check out their social medias or the direct website. Pretty cool. Alright, let's open this. I'm kind of excited. This came in today. It was running a little late, so I was really excited to check it out. Now, in addition to the Funko Pop, you are going to get some other stuff. So let's see. Alrighty. So we're getting a t-shirt right here, and I love the superhero themed team shirt. I actually have a few of them that I purchased from GameStop on clearance. So this is another one I'm going to just add and keep. Or if I don't like it, I might sell it as medium, which is my size. Or maybe I'll change it if it's too small. And this is pretty cool, guys. Check this out. Pretty nice looking shirt. And even if I don't wear it, I'm pretty sure my girlfriend will. There we go. It feels like good quality. There's the lovely looking logo right there of Black Widow. Pretty nice. And there are some other characters in the background. If you guys knew who these people are, hit it down in the comments below. But it's a nice looking t-shirt. I'm happy with this. It's awesome. I love myself some good t-shirts. We have a sticker of the Red Guardian. I'm not quite sure who this guy is. But yeah, cool sticker. I always like stickers too. Then we get the... Oops. Don't want to look at this yet. Coming soon. Okay, so our July theme is going to be X-Men, guys. So that's going to be awesome. X-Men. I can't wait for that. I don't want to look at the front of the card. I know you guys... You know what? You guys already saw it. So it looks like we get the t-shirt, the decal, a pin, and 2 pops. Alright. Here's the pin. I don't care too much for the pins, but if I'm going to be getting some of these, I might as well I'll probably just make a collection of these pins. So Taskmaster, guys. Awesome. I actually like this pin. I kind of like Taskmaster. Sorry. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's check out the pops. I totally forgot that you actually get 2 pops, guys. I'm thinking I'm getting 1 pop, but you actually get 2. So, boom. Exclusive Marvel Collector Corp. This is the Black Widow. Awesome. Let's pop her open so you guys can get a better look at it. Oh god, I don't want to rip the box up. So, thumbs up on how good these boxes are, guys. They are not totally destroyed. And then we have the little paper in the back there with the logo, which is pretty cool. I like that. The box is in pristine condition. So, thumbs up to that. Then here is Black Widow. Oh, she's really in there, guys. But I'm not going to open her all the way. Actually, let me see if I can do it off camera. Okay, so she was actually pretty easy to open up. So this is really nice. She has a little nosebleed, some scars going on there. She has her, what looks like a grappling hook. Pretty good detail going on with her with her suit. There's her stingers right there on her wrist right there, and a little. Oh, check out her hair, guys. That's pretty nice. Awesome. Cool Black Widow, and she stands up pretty nice. All right, the second one we're gonna get in this collector core box is Alexi. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but yep, Alexi. Pretty cool. And this is the set of. Okay, so he's part of this set right here. We have Taskmaster, two of them, Natasha Romanoff, Black Widow, Yelena Belova. I'm pretty sure I'm messing that up, and Red Guardian. All right, so let's pop open Alexi and see how cool Alexi looks. And once again, another good-looking box. So awesome. Good job, Collector Corp. So we have the cardboard with the Black Widow theme right there. Alright, and here is Alexi. He's holding the Red Guardian in his hands right there. Alright, cool. I'm not exactly sure who Alexi is. Comment down below if you guys, know. But there is Red Guardian. So we technically got a third figure right there. Oh, but this is really nice, guys. Nice quality pops right here. Let's take a look at them again, guys. Awesome pops. I'm really happy with it. Super happy. So we got the two pops. We got the Taskmaster pin. We got the sticker. And we got the t-shirt. I'm really happy with the t-shirt, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys love the t-shirt? I am really happy with the t-shirt. I don't know. I'll probably rock it too, because it's Black Widow. I can't wait to see her movie. But yep. There we go, guys. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff we got. This is everything. I'm actually pretty cool about it. I'm not disappointed. This is my first Collector Corp box. I can't wait to get the July one, which is featuring X-Men. So stay tuned for that video, guys. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, just hit the like button to show some love. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.